7 signs of true love from a man. You can feel invincible when you're in love. Every cliched love song takes on a new meaning when you hear it. The food tastes better, and the sunsets are more beautiful. You're so full of sweetness that you're inclined to give it away to complete strangers just to spread the joy. It's the same for men and women. We both like being in love. Where there is a high chance of tremendous gain, there is also a high chance of big risk. The word love is a verb. While words might fool you, actions always speak for themselves. Men constantly demonstrate their affection for you through the things they do or don't for you. If you want to know if the man you're dating is in love with you, keep watching. Here are 7 things he does to show that he genuinely loves you. 1. He is concerned about your family and friends. A man who loves you recognizes and respects the significance of your friends and family in your life. He also wants to get to know your closest friends and family members. He respects them and tries to make himself at ease with them because he understands how much you love them and how important they are in your life. 2. He enjoys making you laugh. A man who is primarily concerned with appearing manly and sexy does not require a lady to laugh. Making you laugh is something a man in love enjoys doing. Even in casual chat, he strives to make you happy and delight you. He may crack jokes, make funny caustic remarks, or even put on a clown act with his amusing expressions. To him, your laughing is like music. He adores performing for you and receiving a genuine response. 3. He fights for your relationship with you. In every relationship, there will be fights and arguments. A man who loves you, on the other hand, can be identified by his fighting style. You may be sure he loves you if he strives to solve your issues, is prepared to compromise, and spends a lot of time and energy explaining his points of view. Because he doesn't want to lose you, he argues with you to save your relationship. 4. He will introduce you to his family. When a man truly cares about you, passing the family test is a must. But because he's so fascinated with you, he ensures you that it's not a big deal. He wants you to know that they're good people and that all you have to do now is relax and be yourself. When he truly wants you to get along with mom and the gang, it means you've already become a member of his family, at least in his mind. 5. He will pursue you. Men are natural hunters, and one of the indicators that he loves you is that he will pursue you. Don't mistake his lack of interest in you for shyness. If a man wants a woman, he goes all out for her. Some women miss this signal and begin pursuing the male rather than the other way around. If he can't face you directly, he can use other methods, such as calling or texting you. He'll go out of his way to get you. If you see he isn't giving you the attention you deserve, keep an eye on him for a bit before making a decision. A man in love will actively seek his wife. One of the true signals he loves you is when he does something like that. 6. He'll start acting like a big daddy to you and become too protective. There's something endearing about a man who is so devoted to you that he becomes a full-time worrier. If you're being negligent and putting your health at danger, he'll get a little angry. He's so fascinated with you that he's worried about you and tells you to be careful. Even when he isn't there to protect you, he is texting to make sure you arrived safely. 7. You are a part of his future. He simply does not consider the future to be unknown or completely open when it comes to you. He wants you to be a part of his future plans. He might even become irritable if he considers a future without you. He's planning how to include you into his plans in the back of his mind. You may not be his main goal in life, but being by his side makes everything feel so much better. Well, that's all for today's video. If you are serious about making your man fall in love with you, check the video description to watch a small video on what men secretly want. Thanks for watching.